my next video, I'd like to do one on the company HOZO, H-O-Z-O, and their product Neoblade. So let's say hi to Otto first because he keeps getting in my way. So here we go, HOZO Neoblade. This is a really cool product. It's a ultrasonic cutter at 40,000 kilohertz or 40 kilohertz, I guess. And it's a vibration it cuts with. So let's do the unboxing and then we'll get into showing you how to cut. And it actually comes with a USB charger. That's a rarity right there alone. Most companies, all the big ones, don't give you anything. So that was a nice addition to see that. So it's USB-C. And let's open this up. We'll go over some of the items inside. They're very generous. They give you some pretty neat items here. So I was going to do a video on one that the company, pretty popular company, and you have to plug it in. So this is far superior in comparison, in my opinion, to any other cutter. So I'm only going to do this video. So here we have the accessories. Here's the quick manual. Nothing super difficult with it. And I'm just pointing out, it shows you how to take it apart, a couple languages. So let's open up this box, see what we have. Probably a cord, yep. And as you see the scratches on my hand, that's thanks to my cat, which is a Maine Coon cat, so shout out to him. So we have USB-C to C, nice cord, nice length. Okay, and this box, I believe, are blades and such. Let's see. Okay, so we have some different kind of blades for different kind of projects, as you can see, different cutters, different style of cutter. And let's open up the actual cutter. Battery pack, it unscrews, and I never get it right. It screws in one direction, tells you what direction, but I never look at it, which would be smart to do. Okay, so you click it on, it's ready to roll. You can push up, you can just tap it, and it turns on. You get the nice light shining what you're going to work on. And if you just push it up, it stays on. So very simple. We've got the vent holes. You can actually hear it if you have really good hearing. You can hear it actually. And okay, here's the end cap of, so there's the cap. And then this is a magnetic end cap that's used as the screwdriver if you need it to change your blades. So let's, if I would read, you could see the arrow. Okay, come on. Okay, so there it's on. And you simply, yeah, see there's the arrow. So you just simply take off the cap, and I'm going to cut several things. This is two pieces of paper, normal size, normal thickness, and you just press up or press and hold. I just push up. And like I was saying, if you have really good hearing, you can hear it. It whistles, it vibrates. And I'm barely using any, the only pressure I'm holding, putting on it is to hold the actual cutter. So I'm not pressing down at all. So watch this, we'll cut these pieces, two pieces of paper, very accurately, I might add. I could do anything, I could cut a circle. Okay, so this one, it's a little bit tougher. It's cardboard, 2-ply. So the slower you go, obviously, the better it'll cut. But the faster, of course, if you want to cut fast, it can do that. So see, it cuts through it like butter. I mean, it is very, very powerful. So we'll cut the corner off just to show you. And there it is. It just comes right off. Okay, we're going to do a wood stick next. And it vibrates so fast, you can see it smoking. It actually filled the room with smoke. I mean, it's cutting, it burnishes it. It cuts it right like butter, literally. I'm not really sure what the limits are to this. Obviously, you can't cut steel and such, but it's going to cut about anything, I think. This is PLA filament. I'm a 3D printer, and it cuts through that like butter. I know I keep saying like butter, but there's no other alternative to that but that. So let's discuss some of the tech support, some of the tech specs on this. So this is the world's smallest and feather light ultrasonic cutter. It's just 4.4 ounces, 124 grams without battery, and 6.7 ounces, 190 grams with battery. Neoblade is lighter than any ultrasonic cutter. Power in your hand, freedom in your moves, cut anywhere, create everywhere. So it's like holding a pencil, if that. 40-watt auto power adjustment. Neoblade's intelligent control automatically adapts output for different materials, giving you smooth, precise cuts without overheating or stalling. 40 kilohertz ultrasonic vibration. The blade vibrates at ultra-high frequencies, creating microcuts that lets you slice through materials like a hot knife through butter. There we go again. Perfect for ABS, PC, PLA, SLA resin, acrylics, wood, plywood, FDM prints, leather, there's one I've never tried, cardboard, PCB, carbon fiber, clays, and more. It has a built-in turbo cooling for cleaner cuts, 13,000 RPMs, turbofan, keeps the blade cool while you work, preventing heat buildup and ensuring every cut is smooth and precise. Dual exhaust vents, like I showed you in the beginning, balance airflow for equal comfort and performance, left or right-handed. The gentle hum on startup is the fan at work. So that I was talking about, you could hear, is actually the fan. So, which is very light. You can't hardly even tell it's on. I was going to actually put my finger on it, and I said, probably not a good idea to check it that way. So yeah, don't do that. Includes 6 steel blades, standard, long, chisel, mini chisel, curved, and double edge. Lasts 2 to 3 times longer than regular carbon steel. Stays hard under heat and features a rounded tip and magnetic quick swap design for fast, safe change. True wireless and replaceable battery. Twist and swap design for power on and off and child lock safety. 1,300 milliamp pack, fully charges in 30 minutes and swaps in seconds. Pair with Turbo Dock, sold separately, for non-stop cutting, free from tangled wires, which means a lot, trust me. If you had or even saw that other one I was referring to, not made by these guys, it's junk, night and day. This one compares. So, 2 cutting modes, press and hold for precision mode, perfect for trimming, deburring, fine-tuning, and toggle down for continuous mode. It has a wide application range, perfect for 3D printing support removal, do-it-yourself projects, household repairs, woodworking, prototyping, product design, model modes, you name it, jewelry making, leather cutting, etc., etc. Operation note: switch the battery to on, the fan will start automatically after 30 seconds, and the blade will heat up after about 1 minute of vibration. Please do not touch, obviously. User notice: the ultrasonic cutter operates at 40,000 kilohertz. Vibration is not visible. The blade may become warm during use. Do not touch the blade while operating. I want to stress that. Do not touch it. You'll think it's not working. It's working. It's really, really sharp, for the right synonym there. So that's my video on the Neo Cutter. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.